F-A-S-T F-A-C-T. That's fast. Whew.
Did you know that sneezes are really good for your ab muscles? I hear it's like a good core workout. It's your turn to turn the camera around.
Oh, that's fact.
Did you know exercise can make you sneeze? You hyperventilate whenever you overexert yourself, causing your nose and your mouth to dry up. Then your nose starts dripping, making a little tingling sensation, causing you to sneeze. And it feels so good. Fast fact.
Did you know the sensation of sneezing is equivalent to a fourth of an orgasm? Achoo! Fast fact.
7, 8, 9. Oh, I love working out.